assignments, doubts, exams. We have got you back. EduPlanner make every chapter easy to understand. Stay tuned, learn more, grow with us.
For this problem, we are told we have a simple pendulum that has a length of 2 meters long, and we're trying to find the frequency that it is going to oscillate in 3 different scenarios. One is when it's just sitting in a room. Another is when it is in an elevator that's accelerating upward. And then the final is when it is in an elevator in free fall. So we have 3 different answers we're going to get, but we're going to use the same equation for all 3. So our equation that we're going to focus on here is frequency equals 1/2 pi times the square root of acceleration over the length of the pendulum. So when the object is just sitting in the room by itself, we're going to have frequency equals 1/2 pi, and at this point the only acceleration that's working on the object is gravity divided by the length. So if we plug in our values, we have 1/2 pi times the square root of 9.8 meters per second second squared divided by 2.0 meters, and we get that the frequency of when the object is just sitting in the room is going to be 0.35 hertz. All right, for the second problem, we're still going to use the equation frequency equals 1/2 pi square root of acceleration over length, but this time the pendulum is in an elevator that is accelerating upward. So we're going to have to rearrange this, or add a little bit to this equation. So it's going to become 1/2 pi times the square root of gravity plus the acceleration that it is feeling moving up in the elevator divided by the length. So we're going to have 1/2 pi times the square root of 9.8 plus 2, because we're told the elevator is accelerating upward at a rate of 2 meters per second squared, and have that over 2. And that's going to give us a value of 0.386 hertz. So moving up in the escalator, our frequency is 0.386 hertz. And lastly, we're finding what the frequency is going to be when the pendulum is in an elevator undergoing free fall. So for this one, we actually are going to have our frequency equals 1/2 pi, but since the object is in free fall, our acceleration is going to be 0 divided by r2. So our frequency actually ends up being 0 hertz.